between, you know, different camera angles. I got the GoPro and I got the Canon out today, so you know we trying, you know, just give y'all some good content. So underneath the engine, shit dusty as fuck. We got, all right, what's good with y'all? Y'all can see we back in the Lex, y'all. The Lex is finally out the shop. My car been in the shop for the past 4 months, y'all. For y'all who don't know, bro, niggas got bills and shit, bro. Like, this car shit is expensive, bro. Like, for those who don't know, this car shit is expensive. But the car is back. We got a few check engine lights I gotta worry about. I got one for my intake, which I need to get my tune for, so that check engine light will be gone. And then I gotta get a new front right strut bar, I believe it is. I'm gonna try and get some good clips in for y'all today, because this is probably like the first real video where I'm gonna have my voice in it. Like before, I was just gonna post the car itself, but we'll get some clips today. Yeah, y'all, so the car got out the shop last week, but when I first got the engine replaced, those of you who don't know, you gotta break in the engine. So at first the engine, I started it up, I got on the highway, and the car started, like, it wouldn't accelerate past 40 almost. Like, it was, the RPMs, they weren't even that high, and the car was starting to act up again. Like, it was sounding like a lawnmower, bro. That joint was sounding all types of wild and shit. So I had to take it right back to the shop, and I was like, yo, like, what's going on? Because I didn't know to break in the engine. Like, I'm thinking my shit just gonna be good off the rip and all that, because he had test drove it and stuff, so I'm thinking everything was straight. So I come back, bro, I had endless check engine lights. Like, damn near everything on my dashboard was on. I was like, yo, what the fuck? Glad to finally have it out the shop, though. The person I went to, he definitely did his job. The engine I got, it now has 60,000 miles on it, so the dash isn't updated, but I got 60,000 on this car. So it's damn near like a, I'm not gonna say a new car, but it's damn near like I started my shit over. Like, I got my joint at like 100K, and it just looked good. It looked pretty good. It was a 2011, so it's like, you know, I just got it. But this definitely turned into like a project car, low key. I've been looking up, since I got a newer engine, I'm looking into like a supercharger build, so we're gonna see if we're gonna do that. I'm not really sure yet, but I know we definitely will be getting a tune soon, and we're gonna look into that supercharger, because the price on that joint got like crazy. Like $6 for a supercharger in this car is kind of crazy. Like, I don't like, you gotta really love your car to do something like that. So we gonna get some stuff done to the car. I'm gonna see how I'm feeling. Like, we might try and build up this car, or I might just get another car to have and just turn this into a daily, because right now it's just a daily, but I need like a daily and then a project car. What the fuck? Who is trying to race me? He or damn what it is, but somebody ass trying to purple on the nigga. I don't know what they on, but, and y'all, I'm not even using a what is it called? I'm not even using a tripod right now. I'm just straight holding the GoPro. So, but I'm gonna try and get some sound clips for y'all, so y'all can hear like what this joint sounding like. I might do a little walk around, a few different things for y'all, but expect some good content from this channel. Like, if y'all subscribe, it's not gonna be for nothing. Like, this is not a wasted sub right here, I promise. If you like the IS series, the 2IS, you know, I don't got no 4IS, but if you like them 2ISs, this where you got, yeah, bring your ass over here, nigga, subscribe, nigga. I'm trying to go to a lot or something where it's like empty and I can just get some clips in for y'all, but we gonna see. Yeah, I just want to get some sound clips just so y'all can hear the car, because a lot of people ask about my exhaust. I don't know if y'all are noticing, but I am switching out between, you know, different camera angles. I got the GoPro and I got the Canon out today, so you know we trying, you know, just give y'all some good content. So underneath the engine, shit dusty as fuck. We got, you know, cool little double R. Got us the little intake that came with it. Little double R carbon jump. Something slight, but not really slight. I'm gonna let y'all know that don't do a lot. I don't think it does a lot for power. I mean, I'll be honest, it kind of opens up the car just a little bit, but I don't think it does too much for power. It does look nice though. My shifting maybe was increased by just a little bit, but it's like the slightest bit. Like, if you really want to notice some shit, you probably gotta get that tune plus this, and then you gonna see a little something. But you know,